Alright, one thing I would suggest when you're getting the furnace replacement, this here is leaving from an 80% efficiency, going to be a 2-pipe PVC, but right into the contract to have the installing contractor clean the evaporator coil so you don't have any cooling issues down the road. Just a lot of hair, bad filtration, unkept by prior contractors. It's all matted up. Okay. Evaporator coil, clean and check. While you're there, check for that leak right there. See how that coil rusted? Return ducts. Okay. Get that cleaned out before everything gets installed back. Gold Star HVACR. Doing it right and the ones you can trust.